Do you wear or own any strange objects? So certain rings, uh, chains, whatever we wear can be connected to the demonic world. So that's very important to find. Look, look, a lady's been given a chain from a boyfriend, and at school, I've had many of these cases that Pastor Winnie and I have had to deal with. It's given at school, and the parents have said, my daughter, they bring their daughter who's 18, 17, 16, 15, that sort of age. Her behaviour's just changing. She's getting rude, she's getting nasty, she's attacking us with words, and she storms out the house and we don't see her till 1 o'clock in the morning, after midnight. We don't know what's going on. What's happening there? You see, the power was in this chain that was given. When I tap this, it contacts her, even if she's 1,000 miles away. And I can control her behavior. That's what wizards do. Witches. Now listen, it's not, you think it's like some witch on a big throne and all this like we see in the movies. It isn't like, it's just an ordinary guy who's submitted himself to darkness. And the tattoo people too, they've got these things on them. And they just do this and they call you. They do this and they visit you in the night. They do this and you hear voices in your head. Get out your parents' home, go out and meet your friends. And we'll arrange the meeting round the corner without a telephone call. This is the real world of this world.